How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this little beast. It's a BMW S1000R. Cracking machines are these, I know, because I've got one myself and I love it. Cracking bike to ride. I've always had sports bikes, but wanted to go to one of these because they're just as powerful, they're just as quick, but you can be slightly comfortable on them as well. So all standard is this one, but standard you get a right weapon. You get 4 different power modes. This one does have the red chip in it, so you've got Dynamic Pro included in that. You get heated grips, you get cruise control, you get ABS, you get traction control, you get electronic adjustable suspension, quickshifter, everything that you need, but you can ride it like a bat out of hell as well. 2014 on a 14 plate, 7,294 miles, and it's a one owner. Let's give it a quick fire up. Real popular bike as well this year, so if you do want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.